Something I don't like about this splitter, and I guess it's not really a problem with the splitter, maybe just how I'm set up. It's got this wedge in the outfeed table to taper at the motor. So you could see my log yard's pretty full. It's kind of hard to get this big tractor up tight on the splitter. So a lot of these rounds fall off on the ground. I had made a filler piece for there. I'm going to bolt on to make that table square. It'll hold more and I won't lose these rounds. So it never fails that just when you're getting the rhythm down, something runs out of fuel. And my splitter, the Kubota behind me, and the Ranger, all three ran out of fuel within a few minutes of each other. And I know that my mower is sitting in the barn with no gas in it because I had to use a can to get it back to the barn the last time I mowed. You know, I think equipment's kind of like women. After they work together enough, they all get on the same cycle. I'll probably get some for that. Got a few stickers, so we're gonna have to put them on the splitter. This one's from Todd. Todd's outside again. Todd's been a pretty loyal commenter on the videos, and mine on his. It says, thanks Steve for reaching out and wanting to do a sticker swap. It will be great to add a Build Life sticker to my splitter. Just getting started on checking out your channel. Looks like you have a lot of good stuff happening out there. Love the truck camper mods. Thanks, Todd. Todd's outside again. So anyways, let's get Todd's sticker put on here, and thanks for sending it, Todd. You know, I don't know how many of you are here watching firewood videos. We have lots of different kinds of videos. I kind of like making firewood the best, honestly. I don't know, I like a lot of things, but cool. I also have these Build Life stickers, and I'm happy to send you one for free. So email is in the description or on the About Us part of the website. I'm sorry, YouTube page. So if you email me your address, tell me you want a sticker, and I'll send you one. So this one here, dropping them, is from B&F Firewood and B&F Outdoors, Francis and Brittany. Brittany and Francis, I guess, but Francis doesn't get enough credit there. It says, we are so glad you're enjoying our channel. Summer is always a busy time of year. There is so much to do. I was checking out your channel. I think you make great detailed videos. I'm really liking your channel. Have a great summer, Brittany, Francis, and the boys. So thanks, guys. We'll wear this one proud. They sent me 2 stickers, so I'll find something else to put the other one on, maybe the camper. But let's put we'll put these front and center, because you know, first come, first serve. And of course, I'm probably gonna put it on crooked. Some cool like that. Oh, that's in the way of that one. Well, let's just do away. We gotta make some room. Priorities. At least it wasn't one of the safety warnings, huh? Awesome. Todd, Brittany, Francis, boys, appreciate it, and we'll wear them proudly.